Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to discuss chapter number 9, that is Karate Parrot. This story is written by Nicholas Hosberg. It's a great story of a karate parrot. It's an imaginary story, first of all, you should understand this. And there are three friends, Sunil, Anil, and Bala. Sunil has broken his foot, and this story is all about that, how he's broken his foot. And Anil and Bala was sitting and waiting for Sunil at Mobby's cafe, where they usually sit. So they both are waiting, and Sunil came shuffling across the pavement on his crutches and approached Mobby's cafe. And there he saw that both of them were sitting there in their usual seats. Then Anil and Bala stood up when they saw that he has broken his foot. They were asking Sunil what happened, why they have why he has, how he has broken his foot. So he said that it was a long story, so you should first order an espresso for me. तो उनने वेटर को बुलाया and they ordered one espresso. Espresso is a kind of coffee, you know. So after that they were very much curious to know how he has broken his foot. Sunil said that it is an incredible story, you won't believe it, but it's all true. The waiter arrived with a steaming cup of espresso and placed it on the table in front of Sunil. He looked curiously at Sunil's foot, which was in plaster. He took a sip of coffee and wiped his mouth and smiled. Well, on Wednesday I was fine, but on Thursday I ended up with this broken foot. And it all started when my wife decided to get a pet. When he sat comfortably into his chair to tell them his story. And he started that Shushmita really wanted a pet. She begged me for months to get a pet, but in my opinion, it was not good, it was not right to have a dog or a cat and imprison them in one flat, because they live in an apartment in the 6th floor. So he feels like that. As you know, Shushmita has also wanted a pet. She has begged me for months to get a dog or a cat to keep her company. But the problem is, they live in a flat, so they don't want it. Ultimately, on Wednesday, Shushmita went to GT Road, and on Thursday, what she did, she just saw that if she cannot have a dog or a cat, then what pets are there? And so she was there to know what kind of pet she can have, what options are there. So when she went there, she just told the shop assistant, that this is her problem and she want a pet. So Shushmita was suggested by that assistant to buy a parrot. Now here, Sushmita was astonished that why she would have a parrot. She cannot cuddle with it, she cannot play with it, then why he is going to have it? Why she is going to have it? Then the young man explained that, madam, I'm not talking about an ordinary parrot. It's the only one kind of that parrot. It is the unique one. It is the only karate parrot in India. Now this karate parrot, as you know, what it did, it does a great karate. एंड देयर वॉज अ डेमो सेशन, एक डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन भी उसने दिया, एक चेयर मिडिल में रखी और उस पैरट को लेके आया एंड देन he said in a loud voice, "Parrot karate chair." Within few seconds, what happened? Parrot just, with the help of its wings, flapping its wings with great vigor, means with great efforts. In the matter of seconds, the chair had been reduced to a pile of shattered, broken pieces of wood. This was amazing, and Sushmita was really shocked to see this because she hasn't seen this any time in his life. So she just immediately bought that parrot and brought it home. After coming back to home, she searched so many things, so many useless things, and she used to, practice that skills. The pair of them had a smashing time. They both enjoyed a lot. She used to say, "Parrot, karate large box." So parrot destroy the large box within few seconds. Like this, they had a very fun time together. And that's my friend, said Sunil, finishing off his espresso, how I came to break my foot. Now Bala and Anil both didn't utter a word while he was telling the story. But here they said, "What do you mean? You have not explained exactly how you broke your foot." Then Sunil said, "Oh, yes. When he get back to the home at 7 o'clock, he find his wife and a parrot sitting in the sitting room. The parrot was walking along the back of the sofa, carelessly pulling some threads out of it. This was a little annoying thing. When he asked about a creature, then his wife told that she has bought it as a pet from a pet shop. He was really annoyed when he came to know how much it cost. It is not an ordinary parrot, dear, she explained sweetly, and then proudly declared that it's a karate parrot. And it's only one kind in India. Karate parrot? I cried in disgust and disbelief because I cannot believe such thing. So he just said, "Parrot, wo bhi karate. Parrot, karate my foot." Like this. He was just shocked. He was not commanding the parrot. Ultimately, parrot didn't understand it, and what it did, that wild bird attacked the foot of Sunil's, and this is how he broke his foot. All right, I hope you have understood the story. This is a very nice story, and we have already discussed it in very detail in our offline classes. This is a kind of short revision kind of video. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.